concept of connecting the IP camera to the Raspberry Pi 4. So we usually connect the cameras like web camera and Raspberry Pi camera to the Raspberry Pi, that we all know, right? So what we do, we usually connect the cameras like so there is a two types of cameras that you can connect usually, that is Raspberry Pi camera. In Raspberry Pi camera there are two types. One is normal camera and one is infrared Noir camera. Okay, so these are the different types of Raspberry Pi camera that you can connect to the Raspberry Pi and get the data for your image processing applications. And another way is we use the web camera, right? So we connect the USB web camera to the Raspberry Pi and we'll get the data, and from this data we will do the image processing applications, right? So these are the thing how we can connect. But today we are going to connect the IP camera. Okay, there are different types of IP cameras available in the market, and IP cameras are very cheaper nowadays, and you can easily get it one from the online, and you can put it wherever you want, and it has the inbuilt Wi-Fi, so that you can get the image from the camera, image video from the camera from the distance location via Wi-Fi communication itself wirelessly. Okay, so there are different types of IP camera available in the market today, and today we have one type of IP camera. So this is the IP cam. It's very smallest. Okay, it's a very smallest IP camera. So by using this IP camera we are going to connect to the Raspberry Pi. We are going to connect this IP cam to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, fine. So as you all know, when we connect the Raspberry Pi camera to the Raspberry Pi, we will directly insert it to the camera slot here, and we will read it from by using the Pi library. Okay, we need to enable it in the sudo raspberry config, and then after enabling the camera in the Raspberry Pi configuration, we can directly use it by using some camera reading libraries. Okay, so and USB camera, when you connect to the system, it will be detected as video 0, and you can directly read it from capture by using the capture devices. You can directly read it from video 0 and run it. But today we are going to connect the IP camera by using the IP address of the camera. Okay, so now the IP camera is turned on, and we are getting the data, video data from the camera, and we are seeing in the browser. So this is a this is a laptop browser. So as you can see, this is the laptop browser, and in the browser I have entered the IP address of the camera. So this is the IP address of the camera, and by entering the IP address we can see the image captured by the camera. So the IP address we can easily get it from any network utility software. So right now I am using the mobile network utility software, where I have got the IP address of the camera. Okay, so now I can access the same IP address from the Raspberry Pi and get the images, and I can do the rest of the process like image processing or any other application like OCR, or I can detect the mask, face mask, everything I can do by using this IP camera. And this IP camera is entirely wireless, battery operated, and as you can see, I can easily hold and show the camera anywhere I want. Okay, so I'm just holding and showing the camera to the place anywhere I want. Like this I can easily show, and this cam, wireless cam, is connected to the Raspberry Pi. Then we can do any application we want, right? So now I am getting to the VNC viewer so that I can access the Raspberry Pi. So this is the VNC viewer where I have already booted the Raspberry Pi desktop. Okay, now I am going to access the cam. So for accessing the cam, I have already written the small Python script. Okay, so I will just show you the script. So this is the Python script. This is similar to the rest of the script while accessing the webcam, right? So similarly the same thing, instead of video 0, here we use the IP. Okay, so here we have to mention I am importing the CV2, that is the OpenCV library, and then I am using the video capture function, in which I am, instead of video 0, I am passing IP address of the camera. Okay, so this is IP address of the camera along with the port number, action stream. So after mentioning the video capture device, we can directly read the frame and display it in the screen by using the IMShow. Okay, so now let us check this code. Okay, this is very simple code. Instead of video 0, we are going to mention the IP address along with the port number, and then we can display the thing. The rest of the things are similar to the web camera. Okay, I am just checking this. I am running the code. So as you can see, so this is the output window where we can see the camera image, that is IP camera image. So I just moving the cam right now again, I can, so that I can show that. Okay, okay, so now we have connected the IP camera to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, I will share the code in the GitHub repository. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.